Walang uuwi na luhaan. Congratulations to all of you.
Walang umuwing luhaan.
Alright, so I will be announcing now for the minor award for the best in spoke model. No other than candidate number 4.
Congratulations, candidate number 4 for receiving the most spoke person.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4. Another minor award for the best in sports attire to be awarded by Miss Andrea Pigroso and such by Bani Panginiban. Ladies and gentlemen, best in sports attire for Miss Valentine's 2025. No other than candidate number 10.
Congratulations for receiving the best in sports attire.
Another minor award for best in winter attire to be awarded by Miss Elvis Sanadan and Sash by Maluche. So it's gonna be the best in winter attire. Alright, so for the best in winter attire for Miss Valentine's 2025, no other than candidate number 12.
Congratulations, candidate number 12 for receiving the best in attire, winter attire.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. We're moving down to Best in Talent for the minor award for Miss Valentine's 2025 to be sashed by Miss Juanita Ating Eng and sashed by Miss Novi Scott. Alright, so for the best in talent, no other than candidate number 2. Congratulations!
Congratulations, candidate number 2 for receiving the best in talent.
Congratulations, candidate number 2 for the best in talent. Ladies and gentlemen, these are your bet for best in gown. Please take a look to all the lovely candidates starting 1 to 14. I want to hear here is your bet for the best in gown for the Valentine's 2025. These are your bet.
Magaganda naman lahat, magaganda lahat eh. Ang hirap pa.
Alright, so for the best in gown to be awarded by Miss Lisa Roa and such by Miss Telma Cooper to please come over on the stage, please. Alright, so I will be announcing now the best in gown for the Miss Valentine's 2025. No other than it's gonna be candidate number 5.
Congratulations, candidate number 5 for receiving the best in gown.
Alright. Alright, so thank you so much, candidate number 5. Before I will announce the best in Q&A, alright, so the 14 lovely candidates will receive an award for the best in Q&A. Yung very articulate, ha? Who's your back? And you got it! Candidate number 2 for the best Q&A.
Why 7 for MPs? It gives you only one for the high-performing type 7.
Congratulations, candidate number 2 for receiving the best in Q&A.
Alright, so thank you so much. I already have the results for the major award. So ladies, wala